Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessings Kitchen, and today we are making Banga soup, also known as Ofaku. Ofaku in Igbo land. Ofaku is eaten with swallow or yam, but mostly we eat it with white rice in Igbo land. I love eating Ofaku with white rice. Today's ingredients, we have Banga seed, which is Akwu seed, the Akwu seed. We have goat meat, stockfish, dried fish. We have fresh pepper, and we have the spice we use in Ofaku like ehuru and ogiri. I love it in Ofaku. This is ehuru seed and ogiri. Ogiri okpei. We have crayfish, we have Cameroon pepper. The aroma is heaven in Ofaku, Cameroon pepper. We have salt and seasoning cubes. We have scent leaf. Scent leaves is the best in Ofaku. And of course we have onions. Let's begin with the making. We are going to start by boiling the akwu very soft. Boil the akwu and let it boil very soft. After it's soft, transfer into a mortar and pound. Add warm water to it and filter the chaff very well. Transfer the juice into a bowl. Use a filter to transfer the juice into a bowl. Add it into the pots and let it boil till it thickens. Let it boil until it thickens to your taste. While the akwu juice is boiling, let's steam our meat, fish and stockfish. Spice up your meat very well with salt and maggi. Add your onions. Now add your stockfish and dried fish together. We will add some water and allow to cook till it's very soft. While the meat is boiling, let's blend our spices like ogiri, fresh pepper and crayfish together. Let's blend them together. Keep aside and blend the strong one, which is the ehuru. It's very strong, so I'm blending it with my dried blender. You can get your ehuru seed in any local market. It gives Ofaku a perfect flavor. Once the akwu juice is very thick, add the meat into the pot. Add your meat, your stockfish, your dried fish into the pot and mix thoroughly. Add your blended crayfish, fresh pepper, all the spice you need to, and boil till your soup is very thick. And finally add your scent leaf. Once you add the scent leaf, please turn off your fire immediately. And guys, our Ofaku is ready. Our Banga soup is ready to go down with white rice. Thank you guys for cooking with me today. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye.